Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open Fiat 500 boot from inside. Locate the release lever behind the rear seat and pull firmly to unlatch the boot, then lift the boot cover upward. If the lever feels stiff, wiggle gently while applying steady force. Always check for obstructions and keep fingers clear of hinges to avoid pinching. Practice the motion once or twice to become confident and fast. Start by folding the rear seat forward to create access space, then reach behind the seat toward the center where the release sits. Use a steady, deliberate pull on the lever or strap while keeping an eye on the boot lid movement. If the boot does not open, try pressing the latch button from outside while pulling inside. Keep children away during the procedure and repeat slowly until the mechanism responds smoothly. If the interior lever feels stuck, apply a small amount of penetrating lubricant to the mechanism and try again after a minute. Inspect the boot latch from outside for visible jams or debris that could prevent release, and clear any obstructions gently. If the cable appears frayed or the mechanism still won't budge, seek professional help to prevent costly damage. Regular maintenance keeps the release working smoothly and avoids emergency lockouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.